Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create polls in Zoom Workplace step by step. First, open Zoom Workplace on your computer and start a new meeting. Click the New Meeting button and then click Start to begin the meeting. After the meeting starts, look at the bottom toolbar and click the More button. Normally, the polls option appears in this menu. From there, you can create a new poll, add questions, enter answer choices, save the poll, and launch it for meeting participants. In my case, the polls option is not available in the More menu. This usually happens because the polls feature is not enabled for the Zoom account. The account type has feature limitations, or the meeting settings do not have polls enabled. If the polls option is available on your account, click Polls and then click Create or Add Poll. Enter a poll title, add your question, enter the answer choices, and click Save. When participants are in the meeting, click Launch Poll to send the poll to everyone. After participants submit their votes, click End Poll and then view results to see the poll responses and participation summary. If you cannot find the polls option, sign in to your Zoom account on the Zoom website, open Settings, go to the Meeting section, and enable the polls feature. After enabling it, restart Zoom Workplace and check the More menu again. Polls are useful for online classes, team meetings, workshops, webinars, and collecting quick feedback from participants. That's how you can create polls in Zoom Workplace. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.